Nice one, guys. So basically, I got some lemon, turmeric, and some cinnamon powder. Now we got 3 slices. I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a perfect weight loss drink before you can go to bed at night. Drink it before you go to bed or first thing in the morning. Let's do this, guys. Medium sized pot right here. Place that on the stove. Turn on cooker. Medium sized pan for water. I'm gonna pour a slice of lemon into the water. Teaspoon of turmeric powder into the water. Teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Water. Now we're just gonna give this a mix and we're gonna just cook this for at least 10 minutes. As it boil, I'm gonna pour it off. Honey, but it doesn't need it. Here it is. And